Good morning students, how are you all? I hope that all are keeping fine at home. Today let's learn about chapter number 13, tenses on page 69. What is tenses? In the tenses, many are the things included. The three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. These are the three types of tenses. What is present tense? I write a letter. She sings a song. The verb write and sings tells about the present time. Write is a simple present tense. She sings. Sings is a simple present. Here with sing s is added because she is singular. I hope that before the videos you might have known why we are adding the s, since it is a singular, I is a plural. So the verb write and sings tells about the present time. You can have any another example. We write a letter. We is a plural, so we don't add with it s, but it and he or she, with it we add s. He sings a song. It reads a book. Like that, with singular forms s will be added with the verb in the present tense. Then the past tense. I wrote a letter. She sang a song. The verb wrote and sang tells about the past time. The write, as we have learned the present tense, the write, its past verb is, the second form of the write is wrote. The third one is written. So here in the past tense we use second form wrote. Like that, she sang a song. The sing, its second form is sang, third form is sung. So here in this past tense we use sang. Here we don't add s with the singular. We only use the second form of the verb. The verb wrote and sang tells about the past time. I hope that you understood. Then let's know about the future tense. I shall write a letter. She will sing a song. I shall or she will, we will be adding with the verb in the beginning. So in the future tense it is going to happen. So shall or will be added in the future tense. So the verbs shall write and will sing tell about the future time. Then let's know about the verb forms. In the present tense and for each three tense there are verb forms. Now let's know. Sing, present simple tense. As I have told you in the first slide, sing is a simple verb in the present tense. Is singing, present continuous tense with singular form is singing. With is and ing form is added, that forms are called present continuous tense. Like he is singing, she is singing. With plural, when we have to use we are singing. There we don't use is, since plural shows that are. Many are there, so we use are. They are singing, we are singing. I am singing a song. We don't use with I, are. Then in the past tense, sang. As in the past tense we saw, sang is a simple tense. Has sung, present perfect tense. This is the third form of the singing. Has sung. Sung is the third form of the sing. Then regular form. What is a regular form? Some verbs from their past tense and past participle by adding ed. Here you can see in your textbook on page 70, many other examples are given. Base form, present participle, past tense and past participle. In the base form it is shown that laugh, that is a verb, first verb, it is a simple tense. Laughing is a present participle. Past tense is laughed, ed is added. So we call that is past tense. They laughed, we laughed, she laughed. That are the examples. Then past participle also with the verb will be added ed, like live, living, lived, lived. Many other examples are given in the textbook. You can go through it and study. The next one is irregular form. What is irregular form? Some verbs from their past tense and past participle by changing vowels and consonants. Here we see the base form, past tense and past participle. In the textbook 70 and 71 pages are given. Many are the examples. You can go through it, and from that some I have shown here. Drink, drank, drunk. The three forms are different. Drink, drank, drunk. Buy, bought, bought. But in this past tense and past participle is same. Go, went, gone. In these three are different. When you learn all the irregular forms and irregular forms, we can make the sentences as much as simple and easier. And one more is added in that a few irregular forms do not have different forms but only the one form, like cut, 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 hurt, hurt, hurt. And one more I want to tell you that you may be seeing read, 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 but the spellings are same, but the pronunciation of the past tense and past participle is read. Only the base form comes read. So read, read, read. Then let's go in the exercises. First one is complete the word ladder with the past tense of the following verbs. In that you can see stood is given. In the box 6 words are given. So here stand is stood. So it is a past tense. So D is ended. So here is a drink. So it's a past tense. You have to add it here. Stood, then D is ended. So next word it comes drank. Like that. Keep, it's a past tense. You have to fill it. Then take, it's past tense. No, it's past tense. One, it's past tense. In order to fill this, you have to learn the irregular forms and irregular forms. Then it will be helpful for you. Then you have to do in your textbook as well as in the notebook. Then B, fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verb given in the brackets. Already the first form of the verb is given. So that one you have to make it into past tense and you have to fill it in this sentence. So these two A and B you have to do in your notebook as well as in the textbook. Solve exercise A and B in the textbook as well as in the copy by using irregular and irregular forms. Thank you.